Damn. Damn, he's live. He's live. Oh my god. One sec, boys and girls. We are live. Okay. My back. Oh, damn. All right. Cool. Let me load this up real quick. Let me know first off, of course, if you guys can hear me. If you guys can hear me, thank you for whoever just joined and liked immediately. You're honestly the best person ever. Can you guys hear me in terms of voice before I start and explain my thought processes here? Let me just open it up on my. You guys always complain about my big screen. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, so let's start. So, yeah, it's just kind of like a chill session. I don't really have anything planned, but I'm sure, like, given how volatile the markets are and what we're seeing across the board, I don't think it's a bad idea to start doing a little bit more live sessions. I'm sure you guys aren't against that either. The thing is, like, this time around is probably the better time to do it, but again, it's just for those of you that are here, enjoy it. So anyways, starting off with Bitcoin, I'll talk about Bitcoin because, a lot of people are kind of panicking for some reason. Not even sure why, but you can see, of course, that we are continuing to hold above the 9 exponential moving average. We had multiple wick opportunities in terms of a retest, but this is actually quite interesting to me. Right here at the 63K range. From our previous live session, I mentioned to you guys that we have to pay attention on the daily time frame to the wicks. Looking at the previous bull run, you will notice that we actually had quite a few wicks on this zone at the 61.5 level, which we are currently seeing right now. You can see we had 61.5. We had a breakdown structure going down to 50. This was a period of extreme volatility. That's, of course, example number 1. Example number 2, you can see we had the same sort of wick opportunities over at the 61.5 range. So what I'm expecting here on Bitcoin, of course, is a little bit of a consolidation, or rather a few days of consolidation. This is pretty much the same exact move set that we saw previously. And you can see we had about, let's say, 10 days of nice consolidation. And this is probably when we started seeing altcoins go absolutely crazy. And if we go down and see Bitcoin dominance as of right now, you will notice that Bitcoin dominance, of course, continues to push higher. But as of today on the 4-hour time frame, we actually did see a little bit of a corrective move, which, of course, we are seeing alts rally a little bit, not too much, nothing crazy. But what I want to pay attention to rather is, of course, a stronger corrective move on Bitcoin dominance. That's where you'll see your altcoins go absolutely crazy. Something like this, of course, or like a good 6 or 7% drop. From the previous bull run, of course, we've seen even more extreme drops than that. But just an idea for you guys, like, when people say, oh, my altcoins are not doing anything. Well, it's because, first of all, Bitcoin dominance, as Bitcoin increases, dominance increases, your altcoins aren't going to do anything, period. You might have a few outliers like Shiba, WIF, Doge, Pepe. Again, those are meme coins, but a few outliers where you start seeing some massive rallies happen. But across the board, IMX, ICP, Comp, Ontology, like, we're not seeing anything like, massive breakouts. Beam, for example, Velo, like, again, these aren't my coins, like, some of them are, but like, this is just an idea perspective for you guys, right? So what we want to actually see is, of course, a proper altcoin rally, and what that's probably going to see is, once we see a period of consolidation. If we look on Bitcoin on the daily time frame, I don't think we're anywhere near a consolidation as of right now. You can see that we are pretty much over leveraged, of course, from our exponential moving averages, but we haven't really seen a stronger corrective move or anything in terms of a consolidation for a possible BART formation or even a cool-off period. Instead, I think we're actually starting to see quite a bit more volatilities in the market, right? So we're starting to see a lot larger flush opportunities, a lot more volatile moves, which brings me to my more important point. For those of you that are leverage traders, of course, in Telegram and whatever, I need you guys to understand something. There was a period of time when we were pretty much dead, right? So quote unquote dead. This was a consolidation zone. Nothing really was happening. But what I mean by period of dead was down here, like somewhere down here, right here. So around the 35, 34K, like the volatility wasn't that bad, right? Like you can see in terms of my chart, we had maybe like $800, $500 candles. Like there wasn't anything crazy for you to get absolutely wrecked. Unfortunately now, well, not really unfortunate, it's good, but the volatility is completely different, right? We're seeing on Bitcoin, you can see on a 4-hour candlestick, not just the flush candlestick that we saw, but multiple candlesticks, the wicks are going from 63 down to 61. Like we're talking $2,000-$3,000 candles on a 4-hour time frame. This is a period where you need to understand that lower leverage is going to be your best friend compared to higher leverage. So what you want to do is, of course, for those of you that trade on size, you ideally should be using more margin but lower leverage versus those of you that have, of course, I understand if you have $200, $300 to name and you want to make it that one big trade and make it all. But guys, like realistically, lower leverage is your friend right now because the volatility is already in the market. So if you do catch the right trade, so for example, your trading plan does play out, then there's no issue, right? Like you're already going to profit anyways. Like you don't have to catch that big 100x move just on this one candle. Like trust me, like I promise you guys, long term you'll be better off like this. So just keep that in mind as you guys are trading. Now, in terms of Ethereum, I'm a little bit more hesitant on Ethereum, and I mentioned this in the video as well, was the 20 exponential moving average, which is looming ahead, right? You guys know I mentioned that, hey, we are expecting a 20 EMA retest for those of you that did watch the ETH video because it hasn't been tested in a long time. We saw the flush opportunity. Now we're seeing a actual break opportunity of the 9 exponential moving average. This, you guys know, is what we call a no trade zone. So this is an area that we will not be looking to enter any sort of trades because it's in between the exponential moving averages. Not only that, but of course, you can see in terms of the 4-hour time frame, we are pretty damn extended from all the way down to 2,800. I wouldn't be caught looking for a swing long position at this range because, of course, if the market does decide to do whoop-de-doo, you don't want to end up getting liquidated because, of course, look how completely overbought we are from the 4-hour time frame, from the lows of 2,200 to the highs of 3,500. A lot of people are expecting a massive nuke, and I understand why, right? Because again, realistically, looking at a chart like this is pretty damn extended. But the way I explain it is when you're this close to all-time high, I do not want to counter trade. I do not want to be the person to actually short the move because I promise you guys, when price discovery happens, that's when a ton of volume and a lot of FOMO is going to start happening as well. A lot of people are going to start looking into crypto, not that they aren't already, but that's where we pretty much start seeing some crazy move sets. And guess what? The main coins that most people remember are A, Shiba, B, Doge, because Elon Musk, whatever. And those are where the opportunities lie. Now, if we look at Doge, for example, on the daily time frame, you will notice that we are still nowhere near the huge run we had on Doge from previously, right? This was a 2021 basic bull market where this has started. We had a period of consolidation. Yes, we had a little leg towards the upside, but this sort of candlestick, this was the actual alt season, right? This is where things got absolutely crazy. If you look at the chart from a daily perspective, does that look anywhere near to that perspective, right? So that's what I'm saying, like, guys, it's gonna get very crazy very fast. And these are the opportunities that you have to kind of look into, right? So number one, where are people going to be looking? Think about it as an outsider. Like I had this conversation with a friend the other day, and this is someone that knows nothing of crypto other than the fact that his friend told him to buy Doge. And of course, it was near 70 cents. So near the peak of SNL, whatever. And he's like, oh, I've just been holding my Doge and Shiba. And that was the only conversation. And in my head, I thought, hey, like, I wonder how many other people are out there that only hold, like, for example, their crypto and they remember Doge and Shiba. And that's all it takes, guys. That's, you got to understand. And if you like, there's about to be a frenzy for Doge because a lot of people are going to see this chart and say, Doge looks pretty cheap right now. I kind of want to buy some Doge. Oh, crypto's picking back up. I want to buy some Doge. And that's where we come in terms of leverage opportunities. And you can really start using this position sizing, right? So first of all, if we break above 0.12 on Doge, that's going to be the main resistance. The only reason why that's my main resistance is looking at this previous price analysis. This was a major support. And when we lost it, that's when we saw capitulation. So ideally, a major support should be acting as a major resistance, which you can see as of right now it is. If we break above this level, though, then it is going to cause an even bigger short squeeze. Ideally to around 0.16 is going to be the main target. But after 0.16, there really isn't much. And that's where the area of opportunity really is. After 0.16, it gets crazy. And it gets crazy very, very fast. So that's what I'm saying to you guys. Like, there's coins right now that you have to think of 2021, and I don't mean all coins. Like, don't think of this like, oh my god, Pingu said this. No, I'm just saying that there's specific coins that the basic retail investor was buying. Was Doge, Shiba were the two biggest coins. Why? Meme coins, right? Everyone loves meme coins, who doesn't? But number two is because of the fact that they're going to see this price action and be like, huh, this is pretty damn cheap. I kind of want to buy some. And that's where the area of opportunity really lies. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, yes, we are in the extreme ranges. For ETH, of course, we are heading into the wick highs of 3,500, 3,600, which was a main level to take profit. Can we expect a corrective move? Of course, right? Of course we can expect a corrective move, but that's where I keep telling you guys, like, you are much better on a 4-hour time frame scalping these positions than looking for swing positions. There is a time when we swing. You guys know, I mentioned to you guys, all right, 21, 22. How many of you from Telegram, you guys know, I preached 21, 22 for weeks. I was like, yo, if we hold above 21, 22, we're bullish. This whole dump opportunity, you guys remember this? When everyone's portfolio dropped like 40% and I started playing that Toad song of him swinging on the chandelier and screaming. And I was like, guys, just close your phone and go outside, because realistically, yes, there's going to be pain in between, but look where we're at now, right? So this is what I'm saying is, when you have a period down there of extreme fear and major support levels in terms of the weekly time frame, that's where you start swinging. Would I be swinging at this zone? Definitely not. Would I possibly look for a swing position here? Maybe, right? But that's what I'm saying. Like, ideally, your swing position should have been right here at 2,700. Why? Resistance turned into support, right? Resistance turned into support. Right now, though, we're pretty much in a period of like just exponential moving average support, which I don't like personally, looking on for a swing position, because if I do it from a swing position from this standpoint, and then, like I said, this happens, I'm pretty much wrecked, right? I don't want to trade like that. I would rather scalp the opportunities, and scalping has paid off immensely for a lot of you guys. Is as soon as the wick high breaks, we long. As soon as the wick high breaks, we long. As soon as the wick high breaks, we long. You see what I'm saying? Like this is a perfect example of how scalping works. You don't have to enter every single 4-hour candlestick. You just have to wait for a period. Like, I barely look at the charts, but sometimes I get bored. I'm like, all right, let's see what kind of trades we're looking at. And I noticed that, hey, we have a wick high here of 35.18. What would I do in this situation? I would simply just wait until the market does its choppy move, whatever. If it does break down, sure, cool. I'm not looking for shorts though, right? I'm just gonna wait. As soon as we see a wick high break or getting close to wick high, I'll enter a long position. And I'll show you guys an example of that perfectly on Cardano. You guys remember this trade? On Cardano, we were on 0.67, a major resistance level, right? I was like, okay, cool. We have 0.067 on a weekly time frame as a resistance standpoint. What I want to do is just wait this whole chop. We didn't do anything. I mentioned to you guys when we were here at 0.66, like what, last night or 2 nights ago, and I said, hey guys, free long position on Cardano. It broke the resistance. Third time, right? I've taught you guys this. Third time usually ends up breaking on the 4-hour time frame. Literally free money right here. This was all free money. And that's what I mean by those wick breaks are definitely a lot better than trading a chop area like this, trading a chop area like this. You're better off just doing that. Sorry, I haven't read this chat at all. Give me a second. Let me catch up. Look at Bonk. I have Bonk actually. Yeah, Bonk is doing well. It's actually nearing all-time highs as well. That's pretty cool to see. This was a huge, painful period of consolidation. And that's what I'm saying, like, Bonk, Solana meme coins, Bonk, whiff. Oh my god, whiff. Look at dog whiff. Holy. That is crazy. $1 almost. Wow. It is painful. It is painful to see because I sold way too early. But again, that's the fun of meme coins. But wow, like, that is absolutely crazy. I think, yeah, if I held my original position, it would have been 7 figures. Which again, in hindsight 2020, but it is cool to see. Wow, that's actually, yeah, like, I mean, realistically, like, dog with hat in terms of market value, like where it's heading in terms of volume, without any tier 1 exchange listings like Binance or Coinbase or anything like that, I do think this coin is going to do extremely well. And Bonk, for example, the same thing, right? Bonk is, and what's really cool about meme coins is, if you're in a meme coin on Solana, right? Like, when Bonk moves and Dog with Hat moves, it's not a period of being salty. It's not a period of, oh, I missed it. It's actually very good for meme coins in general, because it's going to leak over to all meme coins on Solana, and people are going to be looking for the next dog with fat or the next bonk. And there's nothing special about it. It's just literally, you know, right trade, right time kind of thing. So yeah, that's actually cool. I'll leave that on the board because I actually want to watch it as it goes. Hbar discussion. No, I haven't talked about Hbar just yet. I'll talk about Hbar in a second. Well, kind of, but I'll talk about it again. Bro, you must fix this monitor problem. Lives are so... yeah, tiny. Yeah, I mean, I can zoom in on the chart for you, so that's probably better for you. Someone just remind me to do it over and over. You'll probably look a lot better on mobile for you. Don't pull all your eggs in one basket. Me. Yeah, Toad swinging on the channel. Check Myro. Myro's cool too. I like Myro as well. Sol eyeing 134. Yes, Solana is actually eyeing 134. I actually haven't made a video on it. I will make a video, I promise you guys. But yeah, look. Okay, so here, everyone here, like, we're on the same page now, right? Okay, look. Solana, I zoomed in for whoever's on mobile. But Solana, look at this, right? Solana's about to break wick high at 134. I literally talked about this like a few hours ago. This would be a long position if it breaks this wick high at 134. You would enter a long immediately on this wick breakout. The reason why is because, of course, once you see a wick breakout, all of these people that were shorting, they're going to end up getting stopped out. You can catch a very nice wick opportunity or even a scalping opportunity. This is the position that you kind of want to watch now. Like, for education purposes, we'll just watch it. But for those of you that are leverage trading or on your platforms right now, if you're on Fairdesk right now, feel free to go look for a long position, right? We're getting pretty damn close, about 35 cents away, but it probably will end up breaking. Why? Because Dog with Hat is leading the rally. Dog with Hat is almost at a fucking dollar. Are you serious? That is crazy. Hold on. Let me just send the chart real quick. Give me a second, my friends. That is absolutely crazy. Oh my God. Dog with Hat is at $1. Holy. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. One sec. Anyway, so here, okay, so look, so here we go on Solana, right? We're literally about to break wick high, 134.73. If you want to be exact, that's your wick high trade. Break of this, and you enter a long position. It doesn't always have to, but yes. Hold on. But yeah, just so we're all on the same page, you can check it out. I'll keep the Solana chart up, but yeah, wow, Dog with Hat is actually at $1. That's actually crazy. I wonder how my little GameStop meme coins are doing, because I mean, this should ideally move into with, or kind of the market in general. What are we at? 21. Hey, see, that's what's cool. That's what I like. It's gonna get so crazy, guys. You guys don't even understand how crazy it's gonna be. Yeah. So here, let me make it exact for you guys. So while we're just kind of looking at this chart, just for education purposes, right? There you go. See how cool that is? Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Look how exact those wicks are. So once we get that break of wick high, so 134.69, once we get that break, that would be the entry. Yes, we're seeing the volume right now. With Dog with Hat leading the way, we probably will end up seeing a break. With Bonk as well. Yeah, for real. If you're holding Dog with Hat, that's actually crazy. Wow, that is actually crazy. I need a minute to think. Wow, that's actually massive. Because you guys don't understand. I told you guys for like yesterday's live session, I had like 900, like a million coins, and yeah, that's wild. And that's honestly what I love about meme coins is how silly it can get, right? Like it actually hit $1. Wow. Yeah, it gets pretty crazy pretty damn fast. So. And like looking at this chart, like this just started too. That's what's crazy. Or that's what it gets even. If you think about it from like Shiba's perspective, Shiba was the same way, right? Shiba back in 2021, people just loved Shiba. It was like Doge. They made a coin, everyone loved it, and yeah, Shiba mooned, right? So that's why I'm like, when I look at it from this perspective, I'm like, oh, okay. The way you play meme coins, I've explained this before, and I talked about Pepe as well. But if, for example, you have a meme coin and you have volume and it gets listed on Bybit, that's step one. If your meme coin gets listed on Bybit, then you know you have a good meme coin because the exchange likes the volume. So if it's on Bybit, it turns from a shitcoin to an actual meme coin. After that, if you don't get listed on tier 1 exchanges, so what I mean by that is KuCoin, Binance, if it's not listed for spot, spot positions, not leverage positions, spot positions. Dog with Pat was listed for leverage positions on Binance around this range at 30, or I think right here. It was at 30 cents. So when it gets listed for spot positions, that's when you pretty much nuke your whole bag. And that happened to Pepe as well. At peak, when Pepe's high was there, at peak, which was right here, it got listed on Binance for spot positions, and that's when it nuked. So that's where you find your exit liquidity. That's where you find all those people that have been waiting on the sidelines, and now it's on Binance, and boom, you nuke the price right there. So for those people that, of course, held Dog with Pat and continued holding and are still holding, guys, it's a mental game. You guys don't understand. When it comes down to these things, even from a leverage perspective, I don't know who was in that leverage position. I'm actually going to message him. I don't know if he's still holding. I'm actually curious. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, yeah. Yeah, like it's really a mental game, because like when it comes down to these positions, and let's say you're swinging like 7-figure profits, like imagine you turn your 5Gs, and in hindsight, it takes a different, I'm genuinely being honest, like it takes a different skill to hold these coins, because you buy in at 10 million market cap, it goes to 100 million, that's 10x. You think, oh my god, is it going to sell, is it going to dump? Like there's different breeds of people out there that continue to hold it no matter what, and those are the ones that win. Those are the ones that retire, right? So like from these coins. So it's a big play for sure. Anyways, I'm going to continue with this chat. Meanwhile, IMX, yeah, so that's what I explained in the beginning too. IMX is going to be going off Bitcoin dominance. Until dominance doesn't drop, we probably won't be seeing any sort of move set. So you'll find that, yeah, wow, he's actually still holding. That's crazy. That is crazy. Good for you. But yeah, so you guys see with Solana, so ideally 134.69, and again, I wait for, my charts are very like exact. I look at from the wick perspective. If the wick doesn't break, we do not enter. I don't care if it's 1 penny off, you do not enter that trade. We wait for that break, but we probably will end up seeing a break formation. Yeah, we should be okay. But again, that doesn't mean, oh my god, we're gonna open a 100x long position. Don't take that literal, okay? We're all on the same page here. Anyways, have you looked into Catboy? Yeah, I mean, there's so many meme coins, man. The only meme coin I'm actually in, like I talked about this before, was GME. The GameStop one, this one, which is doing pretty well actually. But I mean, I think I'm right here somewhere. Like I bought most of mine, like around the 60 range, 50 range, whatever. But yeah, so that's the only one I'm in. Like again, I do think it's worth looking into Solana meme coins when Dog with Pat is leading the way, because it's gonna get pretty crazy pretty damn fast. So and it's not just, oh, Dog with Pat is leading the way and whatever, that's the only meme coin. Guys, you guys don't understand, in the 2021 bull run there were multiple billion-dollar coins that ran, multiple, and they were all dog coins for whatever reason. But you guys get the point. Like it's gonna get crazy very fast, so it's not a bad idea to be looking into these things a little bit earlier. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy for whoever survived and whoever held on to their leverage positions, because I did send these charts at 30 cents. Like the guy who's been holding his thing from 30 cents watched my chart and he's like, hey, I'm gonna enter a long position, and he literally just held this whole way upwards. He hasn't sold yet, so it's just crazy. Anyways, hello Dominatorp. Hello. So any other questions you guys have? Like I said, it's just a chill session. I wasn't really planning on doing like a full out education or anything. I'm just bored. I don't know what else to do. So I thought I'll just chill with you guys tonight and just have the chart open and we can just talk and vibe out and do whatever you guys need to and look at random stuff. I hope I fixed the mobile problem. I'm zoomed in pretty well. Yeah, if you guys have any questions for me or anything you want me to look at, again, keyword this does not mean you start showing me random meme coin charts. I'm just saying, like, if you just want me to look at something, I'll look at it, but it has to be realistic. Dumb question, how do you enter longs? My dumbass just buys. So, like Prince, if you go on my Telegram and you click on the pinned message and you click on it again, there's a whole video guide I made on how to do it. So you can just go do that, or watch it rather. It explains everything. Yeah, you can buy. I mean, like, buy. So there's nothing wrong with you buying because it's spot positions, right? You don't have to risk of getting liquidated. But when you're leveraging, it's a whole different world. So you got to be very careful. Cardano chart. I did talk about Cardano already, but I will pull it up again for you. So Cardano, same thing. We played the wick break of 0.67, right? So we entered the long position as soon as we saw the resistance break. But right now, I would wait and see how this level played out. Cardano actually does look a little weaker because what we wanted to see from a bullish perspective was this level holding as support. We didn't end up holding that level as support. We actually now turning it into resistance, which is never a good thing, right? We can see the same thing happen here. We broke above for a slight minute. We broke it. We used the exponential movie as a resistance. Tried again, resistance, and then broke down. So I would be very, very careful with Cardano right now. Honestly, even wow, Gala, wow, look at that. I think I called Gala 0.035, and instead it's gonna end up 0.04 range. I'll go check the chat after. But it's so hard for me, guys. Honestly, like I depend on you guys sometimes to be sending me messages in Telegram and say, Pingu, that chart needs to be updated. Pingu, that chart needs to be updated. So I do depend on you guys because there's too many damn charts. Like when everything moves at once, it's very hard to kind of like, I have to take out like an hour to go through everything every day and set trades up for you guys. But sometimes, like I said, when the market's really moving, like Bitcoin's like, you know, you guys saw like it went from 60 to 64 within like a few minutes. So at that point, don't expect me to update every single chart. It gets very complicated very, very fast. Oh my God. $1. Anyways, can you look at Etherscape? I have no idea what Etherscape is, and I'm probably not gonna look at it only because, like I said, meme coins, unless like meme coins are a double-edged sword. So I don't personally, yeah, like there's so like again, like I have nothing against the coin. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like I don't want to put it here on here, and then everyone's looking at it, and then you know it ends up doing. Yeah, it's I don't know. Like I only post stuff that I find interesting or like that have volume, whatever. But if again with meme season, if it's on Solana, it might get crazy. Who knows? It might do 100x, right? Anything's possible on Solana. I mean, shit. Damn. Well, it was nice while it lasted. It literally. I mean, okay, $1 is a very psychological level, so just keep that in mind as well, right? If you guys are leverage trading dog with fat, $1 is a very psychological level for a lot of people, and there's probably going to be a lot of selling happening at $1. So. I know a lot of people that said I'm gonna sell at $1. So, would recommend entering Beam spot at the current price. Could you make a video of entries for Beam? I can just talk about Beam. I don't make videos on Beam because Beam actually doesn't move quite a bit. It's actually a little bit more of a consolidation. It's a nice little chart. It's safer. So. I did mention the dips are for buying. I would personally be looking for buying opportunities on Beam as of right now because, of course, there's two ways you can trade this, right? The first way, of course, is if we end up breaking above 0.036, then yeah, you can enter a free long position, or of course, it's like a what's it called, a spot position here. But ideally, long term, like you buying here is like you buying over here. It's the same consolidation, right? Leg upwards, consolidate. Leg upwards, consolidate. Leg upwards, consolidate. So that's what I mean. Like Beam is actually one of those coins that you just buy and hold long term. It's slow paced. I understand it's kind of frustrating sometimes for a lot of people because it doesn't do anything. They're always like, "Oh, Beam's just boring." Yeah, but that's the point. It's like it's supposed to be a safer asset, right? So same thing like IMX. You can see. Break, consolidate, break, consolidate, break, consolidate, break, consolidate, and that's how it's going to play. That's exactly how it's going to play long term. There will be a period, like I said, when altcoin dominance drops, and then you see literally just a straight green line towards the sky. But right now is just a time to just be chilling. Does that make sense? Let me see. Do you have a tutorial for that by chance? My money is stuck in Robinhood. Is there a way to transfer it over to Fairdesk? Ben, I don't really use Robinhood. I don't know what stuck means. If you want to explain what stuck means. What the fuck was that? You guys saw that? That was crazy. Well, that was pretty cool. We saw that live. I think a whale just dumped. Yeah. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. A whale literally, a market mover definitely dumped something here. It dropped like 10 cents in a second. That's pretty cool. Yeah, like... thoughts on Beam, discovered it because of you. Should have listened to you when you talked about it at the 0.017 range. Yeah, no, Beam, like I said, long term is great. I do think it's a great long term buy. So I love Beam. I do suggest it to have it in your portfolio. So Ben, I can help you after. Just DM me. I'll show you. RIPLM, LIMX. Yeah. IMX is still doing okay. Yeah. So let's see. What else? Man, this shit's about to get so crazy. It's gonna be so cool. You just gotta pick the right coins, and I will try my best to tell you guys the right coins. But like I said, at one point it's gonna get a little too crazy. So just be ready for that. So wild. What do you think Bitcoin's gonna hit long term? Oh, that's a good question. Actually, I've never been asked that. No one ever asked me about my long term targets. You know. Hey, you guys want to see something funny? I'll show you guys something funny. Check this out. Hold up. Hey, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? You guys should be able to see that. I'll zoom in for you guys. So I made this chart. So people are always like, oh, Pingu, you know you just started last year. Like, no, I made this chart actually in 2018. So yes, I have been here for a very long time. A little too long, to be honest. What was that, 6 years ago? 6 years. Fuck, 6 years ago. Holy shit. I feel old, bro. I feel old, man. Holy, 6 years ago. The time actually flies. Anyway, so I made this chart 6 years ago. Support levels for Bitcoin with a clear plan. So this was actually pretty cool. I remember this day because Bitcoin was pretty much consolidating at 6,000. And it was a big psychological level for a lot of people. 6,000. If 6,000 breaks, I'm leaving crypto. It actually broke. And within 1 day on the 4 hour time frame, it dumped like 50%. Like it went from 6 to 3. And then it kept going. And I was like, holy shit. So anyways, yeah. I said, so far so good, guys. Hitting all my supports. Shots to Bleach was at 5,000. McDonald's application was at 4,000. And then Suicide was at 3,000. And actually 3,000 was the bottom. Which is pretty funny. 3,000 was the bottom of Bitcoin. And I actually got the somehow my magical lines played for 6 years and I got the bottom. But yeah, you guys see something interesting though? This is what I always look at sometimes. 6 years ago I made this chart and look how simple it is. Like the only thing different I think would be of course this chart pattern, but the supports are exactly the same. The RSI was there. The exponential moving average was there. And literally 6 years I haven't changed my shit and I refuse to change it too because I'm like, what's the point? Right? Like if it's working, if it works, then why change it? Like there's no reason to. So that's exactly why. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me get out of here. Hey man, how do I get back? Help me. Help me. I'll get it. But yeah. I like that little ding they do. Ding. Anyways, so yeah, we're back. Hi Pingu, can I have a shout out? Shout out to Carlitos Mate. There you go. I definitely said that wrong, but if I have Shiba Inu, the actual dog, am I obliged to put all my money into Doge and Shiba? That's totally up to you. You also have a picture of Pepega, so are you obliged to put all your money into Pepe? That's a question you should ask. Anyways, damn, that's crazy though. Man, fuck. So frustrating. Alright, let's go look at some NFTs, right? Because we haven't looked at NFTs. I actually haven't looked at NFTs today at all. Ooh, little pudgies are moving. What the fuck is this? What is this? Bro, this is what I'm saying. Let me be honest with you guys. Like, this market's about to get so stupid silly where a stupid shit like this is $641. Like, what? I mean, I kind of like it, but it's about to get silly. So pudgies are at 1.83. Honestly, guys, again, for anyone in this chat right now that can afford a little pudgy, buy a little pudgy. I'm telling you, get a little pudgy. Let's see, what else? What's the big pudgies are trading at? 19.59. Interesting. Still a great hedge position for me. I love it. They haven't moved. I love it. They literally haven't moved. Has anyone bought anything though? Like a cool one or no? No, still the cheapest one is 200 Ethereum. Literally just riding with Ethereum right now for the icy penguin. I'm sure I could probably sell mine for 150 Ethereum. So 450k. Like we bought our, this is mine, right? So we bought ours for what? 49.93 2 months ago. Yeah, I can probably flip it for like, for sure we can flip it for 100 for sure, because the gold ones, the last gold one sold for 70. So I know I can get 100 out of it for sure, which is what, 150 grand profit. But I don't want to sell this until like someone offers me like 3 mil, 2 mil or something. Like I'm not, there's no point of selling it. Like I don't see a reason to. And it's cool, right? Because pudgies are like the next, like the biggest one, like the next big one. So it's like a cool little thing to have. It's like having a gold Bored Ape. People are gonna be like, oh my god, I have a gold Bored Ape. So it's gonna be like, why don't you have a gold Ape? You know what I mean? But same thing. Bloody Jibs, how many do you buy minimum per project of NFTs? I actually don't buy a lot of NFTs anymore. I used to be in NFTs a lot, like crazy amount, but I moved over to altcoins because again, the volatility is definitely there for altcoins to be profiting. Like I prefer the money over in altcoins as of right now. So yeah. This is crazy. The market's about to get so crazy. You're about to make so much money, my friends. It's gonna be so crazy. But this is cool. Like, you know, I reflect on this quite a bit sometimes. Like, my channel is what? We have 5,300 people on YouTube, and then we have like 1,100, which is actually fairly big compared to other creators in terms of Telegram channels. And I'm very grateful for that. And I feel like a strong part of it is because the channel's free, so you have really nothing to lose. You can literally just leave whenever you want. But yeah, it's cool. Like this bull run is the first bull run where I'm taking my little community village with me, right? Like you guys are coming with me this time. Like I traded alone 2 cycles alone, with one friend I had, and then you know, like that's literally it. It was just me and him. We used to just trade crypto all day long, and now I have you guys, and it's, you know, it's nice. It's different. I do genuinely, I like the chat a lot. Like I know you guys can't talk in there. I know sometimes it could be frustrating where you want to say something and you have to DM me, but there's reasons to everything I do. And again, I'm not trying to babysit, so that's why I do it. And I'm sure this chat's gonna grow even bigger. Like if you notice in the past, like 2 days, we've gained like 90 people. So, you know, when it gets to 5, 6, 7, 10,000 people, it's gonna get crazy, right? So that's why I do these live sessions, so you guys can talk amongst yourselves. So you know, it's not just bots in there. I mean, there is no bots, but you can see there's people that actually are in there. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly my point. It's like I made this chat so it can be free. I get so many messages. Like you guys don't even understand. I get so many messages from people saying that, hey man, like, I think you should charge for your mentorship, or I think you should make a course. I'll pay for it. Like, do your signals. I'll pay for your VIP channel. And I'm like, dude, like, I don't want to do any of that. Like, I make my money my own way. Like, if I feel like people that charge for anything in terms of a alpha group or anything like that, it's like they're just looking for an extra buck, or they don't make anything, period, and they just want to charge for that. Like me personally, like, I just want a safe place where people can come, learn what they need to, and then leave. Like in 3 years from now, if you remember me, like you'll be like, hey, I'm glad I learned that from Pingu, you know. And that's exactly where I want to be for you guys. Like I just want to get to the point where it's like, hey, you know, like Pingu's chat, like I do take a lot of breaks, but like I just want like a home feeling, like community vibe kind of thing. So yeah, that's why I do what I do. But yeah, that's why I ask. The only ask I have from you guys is just like my videos, because, you know, yo, like I kid you not, like you guys don't understand. Like when you guys like my videos, I'll show you real quick. But when you guys like my videos, you guys like my YouTube video watches, Pal World, Attack on Titan, Yu-Gi-Oh. Yeah, I still have all my Yu-Gi-Oh cards, by the way. Just want to share that. Anyway, so check this out. My last video, when you guys liked it, like instantly, when I posted, you guys instantly like it. It got right here, this one. Oh, that's editing. But yeah, you can see in terms of views, it got 2,500 views, which is massive for me. My channel has 5,000 people. That means there's 50% of people watch this video, which is crazy. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's all I ask from you guys is just if you like the video, like, then we're chilling, you know, because like then it pushes the algo. But anyway, so enough of that. So yeah, do you guys have any other questions? I mean, I'm just kind of chilling. There's like 20 of you in here, so I didn't really plan anything. I just wanted to talk about random stuff and just chill and just trade. Oh wait, hold on, wait. Where's our Solana? Totally forgot about that. Okay, I'll just leave Solana on the board for you guys so you guys can see. This would be the trade that you want to enter if we did break this level. That would be the confirmation too long. It's pretty volatile, so we will see a break. I think we will see a wick, at least a wick like Cardano. We probably will end up seeing here shortly. Should get interesting. Yeah, I know my health is pretty bad, to be honest. My back is it's actually gone a lot better in terms of health for me. Like my back's not hurting as much. And actually, thank you for reminding me. I actually got to stand up because I've been sitting here for like 45 minutes. My back actually healed quite a bit, so I'm walking again. I'm actually starting to work out again, which is nice. But yeah, I don't know, man. I gotta lose weight if I'm being real. Like I gotta lose like 30 pounds for my wedding. But I just love pizza. I don't know. I just can't stop eating pizza. I love pizza. You guys don't understand. There was a point in the chat where like every day I would be sending food pictures. Like for the OGs to remember, it was like consistently for months I'd be sending food pictures, and people were like, "Bro, you fucking cow!" Like every day I'd get a message of someone be like, "What the fuck's wrong with you?" And I'm like, "Yo, I just like food, man." But yeah, so I stopped eating out a long time ago. But it is nice because it gives me a lot more energy, and then focus too. Like I actually focus a lot better when I don't eat out, in terms of charts and stuff. So. How we doing here? 21, pretty shit. Yeah, pizza is good. So let's see. What else? Anything else you guys want me to analyze? What time are we at? 41 minutes. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling. Damn, creeps are at 5 Ethereum. That's crazy. 5 Ethereum for this? What did they trade at before? Oh, the shit that was just minted. Okay, that's cool. Sure. Is this one just minted too? Oh, it was minted 10 days ago. What is happening? Are these all just being minted? Like, am I not doing something right? Minted 9 months ago. I'm just trying to see the old prices. Like, what the fuck were they trading at before? Minted 4 months ago. All right, I'm over this. I don't know what's going on here. Update the Doge lines? Sure. I made a video about Doge this morning, but yeah, so see, look at that. Look how perfect that was on Doge. I mentioned that, hey, buying opportunity would be at the 20 exponential moving average. So no, I don't need to update the line. The line is still there. 20 EMA would be the buying opportunity. That's where you would enter a long position on Doge. This would be a no trade zone right now. We lost the support of 0.124. So yeah. Damn, it's so crazy. I post and it happens. Wild. Let's see. So yeah. Yeah, anyways. Upside lines? Oh, nothing. 0.16. I don't think you were here for the beginning when I was talking about it, but yeah, 0.16 is the main target. It'd be something like this. Like that would be the trade of the day, or the week, or the month, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Yeah. That's about it. That's really all I have, to be honest. I don't know what else, if you guys have any other ideas, but if not, I can call it and we can end the stream. Just wanted to just give my thoughts on the overall market because I'm sure a lot of you guys were wondering. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday, so I'm probably going to chill tomorrow, actually. I'm not going to... It's my wife's birthday on Saturday, so I will probably most likely be MIA like actually MIA. Like for once in like a year, I'm not going to be on my phone. So you guys are on your own for Saturday. But yeah, like tonight will probably be I'll probably start looking to close if you're swinging positions or rather or anything. Like I feel like the weekend is better for like meme coins in general, but Monday to Friday, BTC, ETH, Sol, perfect. But lately on Sundays, we've actually been seeing quite a bit of volume. So I'll update the charts on Sunday, but Saturday for sure, there's no charts. I want you guys to get in the habit of no trading on Saturdays. Yeah, you guys have to figure it out. Yeah, because like the more trades you look for is the worse it's going to be for you guys long term. Ideally, what you should be doing is 1 or 2 trades like a day, but that's like given market conditions are in favor. Otherwise, it should be like maybe 2 a week, right? If we're talking about swing positions, but you don't necessarily want to be trading crazy. If you're scalping, like maybe yeah, same thing, 1 or 2. Like again, I keep it pretty strict when I'm trading. I do 1 a day. If that, like when I send you guys a chart, like there is always an update in terms of charts. Yes, the market's very lucrative right now, so it's nice. I can just be like, boom, here you go, boom, here you go. But yeah. So thank you. Damn, Raven coin, man, I saw this. I should have sent this in the chat. I don't know why I didn't. Was this the daily where it went crazy? Yeah, it did. This is also a buying opportunity, guys. Raven coin, only because of the previous bull run, how crazy it got. So this is something to look into if you guys are on Binance, which really frustrates me because I'm actually, because Canada, whatever, they banned it. But I looked at Raven at 0.012 and I wanted to buy. I was like, yo, this is the bottom. This is literally the support level, like on the daily time frame. It was like Shiba's chart. I was like, yo, literally can't mess this trade up. I was like, this is literally perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Look how perfect that was. I was like, this is it. This is the buy. And boom. Missed the trade because I'm not allowed on Binance. So dumb. Pal? What's Pal? I don't know what Pal is. Pal World? You guys want to see me play Pal World? Say less. I actually do have Pal World. But yeah. Pal. I do believe that is the AI coin. Yes, it is. Pal AI. Yeah, I can't really chart something like this, my friend, because this is just up only and it's price discovery, so I will not chart something like this. But I do think AI coins are going to do extremely well, so that's good. Damn whiff! Damn! Oh, that's crazy. How's my little meme coin doing? Yeah, it's alright. Nothing crazy. Okay, my friends. What else? What else? Any other ideas? Holy shit, look at Whiff, bro. Look at this wick. Like, this is crazy. This dog with fucking hat, man. Almost $1 and then they nuked it. That's so crazy. How's GME? We can look at GME. I mean, I sent it to you guys at 16 mil yesterday. It dropped up to 28 this morning. So it was doing pretty nice. So what's going on? Why is this thing lagging? Come on. Verification taking forever. Yeah, thanks. Just take your time, bro. Take your time. GME, GameStop. What is it at? Can't even see from this. It is trading at, damn, 6 million in volume, which is nice to see. It's not doing too bad, to be honest. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it doesn't look horrible. It does look pretty good. 21 mil. 21 mil. That's not bad. Yeah, I sent it at 16. I sent it to you guys about here yesterday, and it jumped up to 28, and then we're down here. So I don't really have an exit on this. I do think like Whiff, it's going to do extremely well because given the community size and how big it is on Twitter and the volume is there, I think it should do well. But there's quite a few coins. So this is quite interesting meme coin lesson for you guys. When you have Whiff leading the way, like you usually look for the top gainers, which is Popcat, Anita Win, GME, and that gives you an idea of what's going to run when consolidation actually happens. Now, of course, meme coins are extremely risky. So don't put what you're willing not to lose, whatever. But like realistically, like I go off community and holders and how many holders we're looking at, and this coin has a shit ton of holders, so that's why I like it. The louder the community, the better it is. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Anyways, enough of that. Perpy, what about Arkham? Brother, it was an hour from 0.71 to $1. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it happened. I was driving. I was literally went for a drive, and I remember seeing it down here at 0.71, and I was like, damn, that shit got wrecked. And then I came home, turned the live session on, and I was like, damn, what the fuck? Like, literally hit $1, and I was like, god damn, dude, I'm telling you guys, I had 1.677 million coins at the bottom, which was down here. Yeah, just monkey play. But again, like, everything happens for a reason. I do think that's a big thing. And you know, my time will come. I know it has. Like, I have made mistakes even on IMX and Beam. You guys remember? Like, I sold my IMX way too early. I think I sold right here at like $2.10, and it was like right there. I still have it circled. Yeah, right here is when I sold it. And look, right, it jumped up to almost $4. Like, that's the thing about a bull run, is like, you're gonna make mistakes. And when you're in the position and it's mooning, it gets extremely hard to figure out when to sell. So I personally, like, you know, if I'm up like X amount of money and I'm happy and I know this is going to be like enough to move money around, then I will take that profit. Like, I'm not salty about it, but there's people out there that are, like I said, like, just complete degenerates, and they'll just end up holding this trade like this is their $1 million trade, and it works out very well for them. And like I said, if it gets, I explained this, like, if it gets on a certain level, like Bybit's there, then yes, it's $1 million trade. And if you have a ton of it, just end up holding it, you'd make a shit ton. You'd probably retire from it. So, price discovery, mind is all profit as profit. Yep. Anyways, so that's about it. That's really all I had for you guys. Good session. You know, it's getting late. Everyone's kind of chilling. Dimax, if you want to guess, so hold. Yeah, Pingu, is Pixel a good buy right now? Pixel is a good token. I do like Pixel. I do think you guys should get some Pixel as well from a meme, not a meme coin perspective. Sorry, it's from a well, you know what I'm saying. We can actually go look at it real quick. Last thing. I promise. Then I'll end it. Pixel. Yeah. So see, this is what I'm saying. Like, I mentioned this in the chat to you guys before too, and I was like, hey, like, if you want to buy Pixel, it's in a period of consolidation, right? So, like, there really isn't much volume on this coin. Like, you can see, like, buy orders are like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours ago, and there's quite a bit when an order does come in, like, or a sell order does come in, it's quite a lot of money. Yeah, so you're better off, like I said, just looking into enter Pixel slowly. So, like, as it, like I said, consolidates here, it's not a bad idea to be loading into it. I do think it's gonna do well. But yeah, that's Pixel for you guys. What else? These are all Ethereum meme coins. How's my little Mog doing? Wow, Mog is doing really well. Trump is also doing really well. How's Biden doing? Biden's doing really well. Wow, look at Ethereum meme coins going off. I think, yeah, a lot of people are saying, like, meme coins are going to lead this rally. Like, you know, meme coins are going to be, and I think a part of it is going to play out like that. Like, meme coins will be probably crazier than 2021 because Dog with Fat, Pepe, like, there's so many meme coins that came out that it made people so much money. Bonk, right? And I think it's about to get silly very, very fast. So back in the day, 2021, like I said, 150 was early. So even if, for example, GME goes to 150, like, that's still life-changing money for a lot of people. So, you know what I'm saying? But I probably won't leave you guys ever. I had someone asked me about this the other day. They're like, Pingu, like, if you make it as in like life-changing money, whatever, like, you know, never look back, like, would you leave? And I don't think I would. Like, I don't think I could, rather. It's not that I would. I don't think I could. Because, like, 7 years of this, like, 7 years of charting, like, it's like, at this point, it's like grained into my head. And I think I'm good at it. I don't know what you guys think, but I think I'm decent at it enough to continue doing it. But that's why my channel is free, right? Like, when you start charging people, then they expect something out of you. And then they expect, like, obviously, if they're paying, they're going to expect more, right? They're going to be like, okay, well, no, we paid for something, so we have to give X amount. But I probably won't do it like this. Like, as in, like, to the extreme of like 3-4 videos a day and whatever. I might do like, you know, like once every few days, like, you know, you'll catch like bigger swing targets and my thoughts and analysis. But yeah, like there comes to a point, like I mean 7 years, guys. 7 years is a very long time to be doing this. Like I feel like I'm getting old, and for me, like I love you guys. I do enjoy my channel a lot and the Telegram as well, and I'm happy about it. But you know, like as we grow, it's going to be like 10, 20, 30,000 people, I'd imagine, and then trying to babysit that many people and like I can only imagine, like right now you guys DM me, I try to reply within an hour. Sometimes like when we get to like 10,000 people, I probably won't hear from you. You probably won't hear from me again, right? I'm going to be getting so many messages, like it's going to be impossible. So Solana is about to pop, is it really? Hold on, wait. Hold on. Dude, I have so many pairs. Holy shit, where's Sol? Oh shit. There's a break. There's a break. There's a break. There's a break. Look at that. Look at the theory playing out. Oh, Pingu was right again. Okay, you guys see what I'm saying? The lesson learned. Lesson learned. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Like, minute it breaks, you enter a scalp long and just let it ride, right? Be extremely aggressive. Like, again, they can wick extremely fast. But yeah, so that was a trade, right? So there's a trade right there. So look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this happen live. So it's all cool. Yeah, so you're welcome if anyone did catch that. And if you didn't, it's okay. There'll be more. I guess we can leave it on the chart like this for you guys so we can all see. Soul printing money, just have moderators. No, I don't trust people, man. I don't trust people. So I can't have mods. I trust myself. So, yeah. I don't trust people enough to give them access to Pingu chat, if that makes sense. You know, I wake up one day and then there's a rogue mod who deleted the whole channel. Like, I'm good. I sleep at night knowing I have control. Yeah, so there you guys go. Did anyone catch the Solana trade? I mean, I know we talked about it for like ever, but holy shit, wait, I forgot about I'm like, wait, we're all over here, but then like there's literally everyone else is in the other channel. Shit, one sec. Broke. You watched it live. Pretty long. Okay, I sent it. I forgot about them. In for 121, caught it at 117. Yeah, I caught it. Nice. See, there's did everyone learn from it though? Like other than, oh, I just gave you guys free money. Did you guys learn from this trade too? Because that's what we're here for. We're here for learning. I know you guys use me. It's okay. I know you guys use me. You guys use me for my money. Just kidding. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. Look at this trade. Lord help me. So easy. It's so easy for real. Like it feels too easy sometimes. Man. Yeah, we vibing. You know, yeah, it doesn't help that it's like rarely that, you know, I make a mistake. So then you guys think I'm like some fucking crystal ball. So then it gets like really pressure, you know, when there's 1,100 of you watching me. I'm like, shit, I don't want to make a mistake. That's why sometimes I don't, you know, it's actually true. I don't message the chat sometimes. The reason why is just like, nah, like there's no trade. Oh my God, look at it go. Look at it go. Let me message him. Woo. Let me throw a little heart in there. How does he do it? How does he do it? Soul's target. You should be taking. I explained this last time too. Take your profits. If you're up, you should be taking your profits. Like in general, like whatever enough money is enough for you to take your damn profits. Like don't wait for me to be like, oh my God, let's have to. No, just do what you need to do. But my target was 140, I think 145. It's getting close, man. We're talking $3 difference. Like, come on, like just you know, do your thing. $3 is not a big deal. Unless you're 100x leverage, then you're questionable. But you know, but goddamn, whiff is $1. Give me a second. Yeah, so oh my eyes. So we all learned from this. Do you guys want another one? I can look for another one, but I don't think I really have another one. I don't want to force one, but I can quickly scour the charts for you guys to quickly find another one for you. Or at least maybe for the chat that we can update. Link? No. I don't think there is another one, my friends. There is another one right here. Litecoin, actually. Litecoin, big boy, is about to wake up on a daily time frame on a major resistance. A time to send this in the chat. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me cook. Oh, wait. No, this is from the example video. Hold on. My lines might be wrong here. Sorry, guys. One sec. I had Litecoin. I have 2 Litecoins. I just want to make sure. Do I have 2 Litecoins? Or do I have 1 Litecoin? The fuck? I remember I had 2. Do you guys see it? Am I blind? Oh. No, I got it. Aha! Actually, no, that is a really good trade. Okay, hold up. Let me send this in the chat real quick. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the rain. You guys remember that song? Dude, where the hell? My phone is being weird. Hold up, guys. Wait a minute, my friends. Yeah, no, actually, Litecoin looks like a very good trade, to be honest. It does look like a really good trade. Give me a sec. I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to find it. I'm getting so many text messages. I'm like trying to respond to people while I'm trying to do this too. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm gonna send this real quick in the chat. LTC. Hold up, I'm typing. And boom, sent it. Okay, there you guys go. Wow. How does he do it? How does he do it? Okay. Cool. Anyways, so that's all I got, my friends. I will let you guys do your thing. I'm gonna go chill and just do nothing. Yeah, that's pretty much my plan. So thanks for coming. Hope you guys have a great day. And why do I have this open? Anyways, yeah, okay. See you guys. Bye.